Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not leave without clicking on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell, because it will definitely notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my makeup and Valentine outfits idea. Yes guys, actually this is not a makeup tutorial, it's just a brief clip of how I do my own makeup. I'm not an expert at makeup, far from it, and also the outfits I'll be using for the Valentine. So guys, as we all know, Valentine's Day is a day for sharing love, showing love. It's not just a day for lovers or partners alone, a day to show love to others, share love, appreciate others. It's just generally a day of love, and most times we symbolizes this day with the red color. Guys, please do sorry about the noise on the background. My kids, they are just something else. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, my eyebrows were done off camera because I always struggle with it, so I didn't want to come and bore you guys with that. So I'll be doing the other makeup now. So first I need to prep my face. So guys, while doing my makeup, let's have a little chit chat. So like the thumbnail of my video said, this is what Patricia did to me. Okay, it actually happened that like 2 days back, my friend turned sister here on YouTube, Tessie drew my attention to Patricia Bright's latest video on her other channel. I didn't know she have another channel until Tessie drew my attention to it, and I watched the video she made about what she makes on YouTube, tips on how to make it, what is working for her, how she started and all that. And I was really impressed, because it is very rare to see big YouTubers like herself come online to give upcoming ones like us tips and disclose their figures and how they made it and all that. It is not very common, so I really applauded her for that. So after watching her video, like I said, my confidence went back up. Like of late, I've been feeling really down concerning my channel. It has not been really doing well. It has been kind of stagnant. The views are not encouraging. The subscribers, the supports, everything has been really down this period, and I was feeling very discouraged about putting out videos or being consistent anymore, because I was saying, what is the use? After all the hard work, you get nothing from it. Okay, like Patricia said, I didn't really start YouTube because of the money. She said that because I started my YouTube out of boredom. I was in Europe, no job, I was new here, nothing to do, and I had been idle, so YouTube actually came to the rescue. But after noticing, after 1 year, that I could make money from YouTube, like, it was a plus. Any money from what you love doing, who doesn't like money? So like I was saying, it is actually exciting to earn money from what you love doing. But when you get to a point where you just feel everything is stagnant and all, you start losing interest and all that. And that was happening to me of late. But thanks to my friend Tessie, who was always encouraging me and all. So then after watching Patricia Bright's video, my confidence went back up, because like her, she said it took her 2 years before she even started making something from YouTube, and me, it took me just 1 year. Not as if I'm making much though, but it was something. So like I was saying, my confidence went back up, and I said, if Patricia Bright, who has all the money, she's famous and all that, can be so consistent on YouTube, she uploads on her channel maybe sometimes 3 times, 4 times a week, then who am I to say, oh, I'm discouraged? Well, I decided to give it a go, as in to continue, to never lose hope, because I have come to realize that YouTube is like a marketplace. Anybody can blow up on YouTube. It is actually not half far, but halfway. Someone that started just last week might just come up and blow up more than those who have been there for 2-3 years. There are some people we all started together whom have really grown very well, and okay, now they think they are too big. Most of them, they don't come to support our channels anymore. It's okay, nothing to envy about, because like I said, YouTube is not half far but our way. Everybody has their time to shine. So back to Patricia Bright. She actually boosted my confidence, and now I am ready to take on the market. I am ready to be back on YouTube and be consistent. You know, it is not easy for us, especially mothers like us with little babies, trying to balance the family front, take care of the kids and all, but we do it. And those who are planning to start YouTube, don't you ever feel discouraged because you'll be thinking, oh, when can I get to this stage? Where don't worry, like I said, one video can just literally blow up your channel and you're there. And do not envy another person's progress. Believe in yourself, stay in your lane and do your best. So guys, you can see why I'm doing voiceover. My kids will not let me shine. And also, I want to say thank you to all those who have stayed right with me till this time. God bless you all. And to those organic subscribers, I mean the non-subscribed people who always come back to watch my videos, I appreciate you all. In fact, if just 10 organic subscribers, as in organic people, watch my videos and give me genuine views, it is okay for me. So that is literally all about this chit chat. So that is what Patricia Bright did to me. She made me believe in myself again. She actually boosted up my confidence when I was about losing hope. So guys, my makeup and hair is done. It's time to get dressed and show you my outfit. I think my light is too bright today. I don't know why. Oh, and also I have my red stick-on knees. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. By the way, make sure you watch to the end to see a little fashion parade. So guys, here I tried my red dress with a black boot and an animal skin purse. I didn't want everything to be red. What do you guys think? I'm still going to try it with a red shoe and a red purse. Also, you know, the weather is still cold here, so I have my coat ready. So guys, here I'm going to try it with a red purse and a red shoe. Which do you think is better? Anyway guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video interesting. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.